In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the output of Spotify. We will walk through this together so you can send your music to the device you actually want to hear it on. First, open the Spotify desktop application. When it launches, you should see the main Spotify window with the dark background, the sidebar on the left, and your playlists listed underneath. Near the top left, you will see options like Home, Search, and your library, which confirms you are in the desktop app and not the web player. If Spotify asks you to log in, sign in with your usual account so your playlists and liked songs appear as normal. Now, play a song. You can do this by clicking on any track in a playlist, an album, or from the home screen. As soon as you click a track, the playback bar at the bottom of the window starts moving, and you will see the pause button appear where the play button used to be. The track info, including the song title and artist, shows on the left of this bottom bar. If you do not hear anything yet, do not worry, we are about to change where the sound is going. Next up, click or tap the device's available icon, which looks like a small speaker in front of a computer screen. You will find this icon on the right side of the bottom bar, close to the volume slider. When you hover your mouse over it, Spotify usually shows a small tooltip saying devices available, so you know you have the right one. Click it once, and a panel or pop-up opens, usually near the bottom center of the app. In that panel, Spotify shows all the audio outputs and connected devices it can currently use. With that panel open, select the device you want to stream to from the list. You might see options like your current computer speakers, a Bluetooth headset, a smart speaker, or another computer running Spotify with the same account. Click the name of the device you want. As soon as you do, Spotify switches the playback to that output without needing to restart the song. A small indicator or highlight shows next to the chosen device, confirming that it is now active. If you had the wrong device before, you should now hear the music coming from the one you just picked. By following these steps, you opened Spotify, started a song, and changed its output to the device you actually want to use. If this helped you get your music playing in the right place, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple Spotify tips.